Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade ranch dressing with a ranch packet. Start by measuring 1 cup mayonnaise and 1 cup sour cream into a bowl. Stir in the ranch packet and 2 tablespoons of milk, then taste and adjust salt and pepper. Chill for 30 minutes to let the herbs bloom, then serve with veggies, tacos, or as a dip for fries. To personalize your ranch, start small and taste as you go so the dressing stays balanced. Try 1 teaspoon garlic powder for more punch or a tablespoon fresh dill for brightness. A teaspoon lemon juice lifts the flavors without making it sour. If you want a thinner sauce, add milk by half tablespoon increments until it pours smoothly for salads or dipping. Getting the right pour matters more than you think, so add milk slowly and test frequently. Transfer your ranch to a jar with a tight lid and label it for freshness. It keeps well for about 1 week. If the dressing separates in the fridge, a quick shake or stir brings it back to life, and chilling after mixing always makes herbs taste better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.